This is our family engagement 3rd grade math practice, solve, and play pack. This kit is chock full of supplemental learning resources that are sure to aid in learning recovery after a rough few years. These kits are wonderful for after-school programs, summer camps, extra resources for teachers in the classroom, or even hands-on materials for students who are digital learners to take home. But they're especially great for students to take home and engage with their families. It also helps build that school-to-home connection. These kits come in a sturdy handle bag, so students can easily take them back and forth from school to home, keep all their materials organized in one little space, and it will also keep them safe and dry. The foundation of this kit is this activity and instruction guide. This 24-page guide is equally in English and Spanish, and it features a family letter, information on the 4 C's, tips from the classroom, and tips to build math skills. And we find that if you send this information home to parents and they know what you're doing in the classroom and how to best support their children, they're going to become more involved and more engaged and help their students reach their potential. This guide will also give you step-by-step instructions of how to use each piece in this kit. So these pages here will tell you all about how to use our 3 double-sided dry erase mats. This 3rd grade kit features a fact family dry erase mat, a multiplication grid, a recording time mat, a dot grid, a grid, and an open-ended dry erase mat. Now we also include the dry erase marker because we know not every family is going to have one at home, and we want to set the kids up for success with everything they'll need. After the mats, the guide will tell you all about the math journal. This Math C.U.B.E.S journal will take kids through the different math operations and when to use each one. It will also feature a game for 2 to 4 players, which is great for small groups or family involvement. Now, the best thing about games is usually kids don't even know they're learning. So this pet shop probability game will have them so involved in all the cute animals and collecting the pieces that they won't even realize they're learning math concepts. Now, when you take games and you bring them to the family, you're encouraging connection, and you're also encouraging some social emotional learning. So kids are learning to take turns and follow rules, and even active listening. What do you do when it's not your turn? So those are all skills students are developing through playing games. The kit will also feature 10 double-sided task cards. They're large size for easy flipping, and they work with the manipulatives. Here we have place value cards and manipulatives, and they feature the number on one side and the word on the other, so that students can see it in different ways. So if you have that visual learner, kids who are very familiar with words, it will help them make that connection to the numbers. Now in our guide, next you'll find a 30-day calendar. This is especially great for families who are trying to work math into their everyday life. There's 1 activity per day, and when you can get a student engaged in math and practicing every day, that starts building math fluency and math confidence. So we hope you'll enjoy building that school-to-home connection, and I'm sure the kids, parents, and even your teachers will love it.